Here we go with the next one. Build Enterprise-D from Fanhome. Stage 85, pack 85. Open it up. A slightly dulled Wahoo killer knife. This one should be fairly straightforward, without issue, hopefully. Okay. Here we go. Set that to the side. Got some of our extra pieces here from last stage. Set those to the side. A little cleanup. Okay, in this pack, make sure you don't lose this guy. Little cover there. We do have a metal deck plate. That's what I'm calling it. Panel. And you know it, we're going to roll out some lifeboats. Get them installed. Still got laundry going over there. You may see these videos split up into each stage instead of one giant box like I was thinking I was going to do, but I'm trying to get caught up and film some of this while I have a little bit of time this morning. Shoot, it's already almost lunchtime. What am I talking about? Okay, so the red line is going to go towards the outer portion of the saucer when you put this panel in place. You're going to look something like that on all of them. Bring it down. Let's get these in place. These go in fairly easy. Did anyone pick up the tip I gave for avoiding heartburn when you're sleeping? If you sleep a certain way, it has a tendency to give you heartburn, which I have now. Post in the comments down below. To avoid heartburn, what do you do when you sleep? Which side do you sleep on? Etc. Okay. Those are in. Now I need to put a little back panel on, back plate, plastic. I believe it's going to go something like this, right? Yep. 2 AM screws. That's an IM. AM. M for metal. So, like Den Scourge would say, we gotta dip the tip in some lubricant. I use the 3-in-1 oil. Have a little tray which I kind of spilled. I think there's enough in there. Yep, just the tip. It helps this thing cut into the metal. Tight. Screw it in until it's tight. 2 of these. Oop! Oh, almost didn't dip the tip. Dip the tip first. Get some decent down pressure. Okay. Double check. Those are good. Good to go. And we want some IM screws now. They have like a little wide head looking on them. They're not circumcised. This is going to go like this. Yep. I am. Load up the screwdriver. Dip the tip in the oil. Screw it in place. Tight. Another one, dip the tip. Tight. Make sure that is tight. Yep. Okay. Now, let's come over here to the saucer. We are working on this side. Saucer is upside down. We did that last stage. Went okay. This, we want to make sure we're getting the lip right here, that little groove that's cut out. Make sure the lip of the bottom panel is fit into there. Whenever you do this, so I had to redo some before that I had messed up. So just double check and we are good there. Kind of like these, how these go in. Okay, now we're going to use a FM screw. We got FM screws. Get one of those out. And it's M for metal, so we're going to dip the tip, which I did off camera. Screw this in. And support the underside. I need some lighting from the side again. Screws, the paint on them just flakes off when you're. That is tight and right. That is good. We are good to go there. I dig it. That went in nice and easy. Oop. We got to make sure we put in our little cover. There's two little plastic pegs in there. Get them lined up because they will break on you and you have to glue this in place. They don't provide any extras of these. Kind of make sure you're going down nice and even, and there we go. I like that. Also an FM screw tip dipped right here, which I almost forgot about. That made me happy. Come up, we ain't done yet. Grab this battle section middle piece. Set my oil tray to the side. Some extra screws to the side, and we got this window panel, which is the way they all should have been. And that's going to go in like that. So you guessed it, probably the next kit we're going to have the back piece to that, and another panel looks like. So that stage 85 is in the history books. Thanks for watching and subscribing, hanging out with me. Craftsman. What I'm using here, if I remember, I'll put a link in. It's pretty good. It's got little these different bits. Works out really nice. I like it. So you can do it that way. Locks in. Okay. Bye. I mean, boom.